the video. So we're starting out by doing the wheel bearing. This is going to be the full wheel bearing and wheel hub assembly. So those two will come out together and we'll install them back as a whole new piece. So to get back there, we have to remove the brake caliper. Well, the brakes in general. So we have to get back there and remove the whole assembly. So here's a better angle for you guys. It's just the 2 bolts back here, and we take both of those off, and we'll be able to hang the caliper to the side so that we could get access to it. Alright, well, while you guys watch me take off this caliper, I'm gonna kind of explain to you guys why you guys are not going to be able to see me actually taking off the hub. We ran into a bit of a problem, and I had to hammer away at it for a good couple hours on this day, day 1, and on day 2, which is gonna be the day that I actually got the hub on there. So pretty much it was completely stuck on there. No matter what I did, I couldn't get it off. So what I had to do basically at the end was shove a flathead in between the 2 parts, which is the knuckle and the hub. I don't know why I didn't think about that earlier, but that's basically what kind of started the process off. So I did that, and then that pretty much started off the process of taking it off. Then I had a chisel. I had 2 chisels actually, and those were the 2 things that I shoved on both sides, on the left and on the right, and then that started coming out more, and then eventually it came out. All right, so once you guys get the brakes out of the way, you guys could move on to the actual hub assembly. So there's 4 bolts back here that you guys need to take off. As you can see, they were kind of hard, but I made sure to prep the bolts before, that way they came off a little bit easier. Also hammering the socket on there to make sure that I had a good grip on them really helped. So yeah, just the 4 bolts, take them off, and then that should be it for the back. Then we get into the hard part, which is actually removing the hub from the knuckle, which in my case was pretty much seized onto the thing, and then I just get a random sound out of nowhere on my clips. All right, so now that we're finishing up the back, we can move on to the front. The front just has the wheel nut on there. This is a number 32. I'll probably move on there any second now. Here's a number 32, and then we just take that off and it comes right off. So easy. Here is the new tool that we bought. This is supposed to push the axle in, that way we're able to get it out. That way it's not stuck on there and it's not another thing that's holding onto it. So this didn't really help out as much as I thought it would. I tried it out, but I mean, it did what it was supposed to do, push the axle back in. Something else that you guys should probably do is there's the speed sensor, the wheel speed sensor that's on top. You guys should probably remove that. That way it's not in the way when you guys are trying to remove it. You guys could damage it if it's in the way. So here's a second thing I tried doing. I saw this on Instagram Reels. It didn't really help out as much as I wished it did. I ended up breaking one of the bolts. It's whatever. I think I should have gotten some higher grade bolts, but whatever. So here is the next day. Here is it on the new hub. There was my brother taking it off. I mean, putting everything on from the back. And there you go. There's everything back on.